Good morning, students. This English language assignment is for class 9 and 10. Our today's topic is transformation of sentences. You will get this assignment on 3rd May. Dear children, today I will tell you how to change the given sentences according to the instructions given in brackets. So our first sentence is Hari is a better swimmer than Radha. So it means Hari is better, whereas Radha is lacking in the skill of swimming. So we'll write the answer as, so our answer is, we'll begin with Radha. Radha is, we'll use the same verb and then we'll use not. Radha is not so good a swimmer. Not so good a swimmer as Hari. And our sentence is complete. So let's take up sentence number 2. So sentence number 2 is everyone will accept her. So we'll change everyone to nobody and accept will change into reject. So your answer is nobody will reject her. So with the usage of nobody, the sentence has become negative. And if nobody will reject her will come, using everyone you can make it assertive or affirmative. So let's take up sentence number 3. So sentence number 3 is there is no dark cloud which does not have a silver lining. And here you are told to convert it into an affirmative sentence. So using every will make it affirmative. Every dark cloud will use the same verb, has a silver lining. Every dark cloud has a silver lining. So let's take up sentence number 4. So sentence number 4 is as soon as her husband took his last breath, she also died. So took is V2. 3 forms of take are take, took, taken. So dear children, when V2 or simple past tense is used in the given sentence, you are going to use did and no change comes in this part of the sentence. So now we'll use did plus first form of the verb, that is take. So our answer is going to be, and for making it negative, you have to use no sooner in the beginning. No sooner did her husband take, because did always take first form of the verb, take his last breath, take his last breath, then we'll use than, which is important to use, than she also died. And your answer is complete. Now, with the usage of no sooner did first form of the verb than in next part of the sentence, it has become a negative sentence. So now we'll take up sentence number 5. So our next sentence is, this painting is so good that it cannot be thrown out. And here you are told to remove so that. So instead of so, we are going to use long sound to, and then for replacing that we are going to use short sound to, and then we'll use the next part of the sentence. So your answer is going to be, this painting will not use the verb, will not change the verb, is too good to be thrown out. And our answer is complete. So now we'll take up the next sentence. So our next sentence is, rules should be obeyed by you. And here you are told to make it a negative sentence. And it is a passive voice. Now we'll make it active also, and we'll use not to make it negative. So we'll begin with you, then we'll use the same modal auxiliary, should, not, obey will make disobey. You should not disobey rules. And our answer is complete. Now we'll take up the next sentence, which is, my proposal was turned down by him. So this is passive voice because was is used, past participle is used, and then by is also used. And now him will change into he in order to make it passive voice, and will make it assertive of simple past tense, because the rule is subject plus V2 becomes was. It takes the past participle and then by is also used. So while writing the answer, you will write it as, he turned down my proposal. So now he is your subject, turn down is your V2, and my proposal is your object now. So it has become assertive of simple past tense. Now we'll take up the next sentence. I object to your proposal. And here we are told to change it into passive voice. So it seems in simple present tense, I is your subject, object is your B1, and rest part is your object. So we'll begin with this following the rules of active and passive voice. So we'll write it as, your proposal. We'll use is because V1 becomes SMR. Is past participle is objected. Your proposal is objected. It does not take by, so we'll use the preposition to. Objected to, and then we'll use by me. Preposition we cannot change, so after to we'll use by. So your answer is, your proposal is objected to by me. Now we'll take up the next part of the sentence. So our next sentence is, you have to do it. So we'll take the object first, we'll make it subject, and we'll write it as it. It does not take have, so we'll use has. It has to, and then we'll use be. Third form of do is done. These are do, did or done. It has to be done. Then we'll use by, and then we'll use it has to be done by you. So now we'll take up the last sentence of this assignment, that is, the thief was arrested. So we have to convert it into active voice. So we'll change the subject, that is, the police. The police. Second form is arrested, that is B2, the thief. So here also V2 has become was and it had taken past participle. So now we have brought it back to subject, V2 and object. So this is the police arrested the thief. So dear children, I hope you are clear with transformation of sentences now. So this is all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day ahead.